Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will paint a glowing night beach painting on mini canvas. Let's begin. I am using this 6x6 mini canvas board. I am dividing my canvas into two equal parts and applying a masking tape on it. Now, I am applying Prussian blue color with a palette knife on the sky area. Now, I am applying cobalt blue color. Using flat brush number 10, I am blending both the colors. I am applying titanium white in the lowest part of the sky. Using flat brush number 2, I am making trees on the horizon with black color. I have moved the tape to paint the ocean part. Now I am applying the same colors here. To darken it, I am applying some black color here. Using titanium white and cobalt blue, I am making ocean waves with round brush 2. Now I am smudging the waves using a dry flat brush. giving details using titanium white here. I am splattering titanium white with round brush on the sky to make stars. Now I am making a reflection of the stars on the ocean. And I am done. I hope you must have liked today's painting. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do it now. And remember to give a thumbs up if you like this video. Stay creative, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.